Hey, it's Wendy.
And it's Katie. We're back here on the cloud, here to talk about what we've been up to this week.
Yeah, so here in the Northeast, we did have a couple storms, so we've kind of had to split up our duties a little bit to take care of the girls, along with our, work and life time. So we're going to have a little video for you and show you what we were up to, and then we'll come back and talk about it. Hey, it's Wendy. Here on the cloud today, it's it's a little snowy here in the Northeast, so I'm flying solo for this one. Katie's going to join us next time. She's snowed in her place, but this doesn't take too long. What we're going to do today is get our seeds started. We've been really excited about these, so we have our Granddaddy Purple seeds, and they came in a lovely little package, feminized Granddaddy Purple, and we have selected out 6 seeds that all looked very similar in size and color. And we are going to take the seed and drop it in the water. And once they are in the water, they will stay here now for approximately 12 to 18 hours. And then we will show you the next step, which again is also really simple. I am using distilled water. And our next step will have some paper towels that are dampened and some plates, and we'll be putting our seeds away to sprout. But for now on the cloud, they are just enjoying the water, and we here in New England have got the bread and the milk and the true necessities in New England on a snowstorm. Give you a little clue. It's actually ice cream and bread. So enjoy. See you later on the cloud. Take care. Hey, it's Wendy here in the cloud. We're back. So remember the other day we were having our lovely snowstorm here in the Northeast. So we had ice cream, bread, milk, chips too. I might have forgot to tell you about the chips. Anyways, we put our seeds in the water, and they have now all gone to the bottom, which is a good sign. It means they're all absorbing the water and getting moisturized and ready to sprout for us. And then, so we've gotten rid of most of the water. We've saved some, and we are going to just have a plain old plate here and some paper towels, and I'm just going to pour everything on and make sure all of my seeds, little babies are getting stuck, but that they all get down into that water and sitting on that paper towel. They all have some room, and there they go. They're looking nice and lovely, and I can lift this up for you. You can see my 6 seeds. They're not going to go anywhere. They're nice and stuck to the plate with the water. And then we just take a cover paper towel and you pop that over. This is going to go and sit in a nice dark closet for the next couple of days. We have a little heating pad we're going to put under it to keep it warm, because it's still cold here in the Northeast, so depending on where you live, you need to assess that. I'm just going to sit nice and dark. We're going to check on it every day to make sure it stays nice and moist and everybody's happy in there. And then we will catch you here in the cloud when these little babies have nice little sprouts that we're ready to put in the soil or into the little hydropods, sorry, and then into our box. So we will see you soon back here in the cloud. Take care.
Hey guys, Katie from Cloudponics here. I know you saw some videos that are attached before this video of Wendy showing you how to germinate your seeds. Now our seeds are all sprouted and ready to be planted, so that's what we're going to show you next.
Yeah, what's up?
Do you want to get up close?
I'm getting there.
Or keep this spread?
Yeah, you don't have to push it too far. There you go. Perfect.
We're back in the cloud. So as you see, we got our seeds in some water and made them nice and happy. And then after it was about maybe just 10 to 18 hours, somewhere in there, we took them out of the water, put them on some paper towel on a plate, folded them with the paper towel over that, gave them some room, kept them damp in a dark spot, and a little warm. We used a heating pad because here in the Northeast it's a little chilly. And then Katie got to take those little babies and put them in their happy new home.
Yep, and we went and planted in the box, and they should be starting to work some magic here pretty soon. So we're pretty excited to get this thing moving. And yeah,
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now our app is going to tell us everything we need to know, and we're going to show you, give you some screenshots of what the app will look like if you're doing your own grow. We have ours set for when the date we put the seeds or the germinated seeds into the box. We have it set for our Granddaddy Purple, and our light and newts, all of that follows our recipe. So our app's going to tell us everything. It'll tell us if our water's low, tell us where our temperature is. Now again, in the Northeast, it's cooler, so if you have a box that is not in a pretty room temperature area, you may need to get something to help you out. We do have a heater in the area. We have ours to help keep it warm. The light does heat it up, but if you're in a 50-degree room, you're gonna need a little help. So just
get pretty cold.
Yeah, it gets a little cold. Can't wait for spring. But yeah, so then
we're almost there.
Almost there. And so we should be seeing you next week, and we'll show you how far the girls have come and see what other kind of good stuff we'll have going in the cloud.
Yeah. So we should be kind of starting to figure out who's staying, who's going, and who's looking pretty and who's not. So
Judgy.
yeah, we're getting judgy.
Judgy in the cloud. All right. Hey, we'll see y'all next week. Thanks for joining us. Take care.